Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to use lockdown option in Samsung Galaxy A33 smartphone. Before we start the video, request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. So in the lockdown mode, it disables the biometric unlock options because in some time when you are slept, our neighbors or any other friends easily unlock with our fingers using our fingers in our phone. So we can disable that. So by using the lockdown method, so you need to press and hold the power key. So sometimes it's not working. You can press volume down on power key for a few seconds. So it will open the same page. Now you need to click on the lockdown mode. Now the phone enter into the lockdown mode. Now we can't unlock the phone with the face unlock or fingerprint unlock. So it will ask only for a password or pattern. So after you enter, once you enter the pattern, so it will comes into the normal mode. You can see the fingerprint option now available. It's very useful for who have personal data in your phone. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.